tired, feel stressed out. Today just was just a lot. We even know how this sound. Some more light. We even know how this sound, but me, I'm tired, bad, and I'm like, yo. First time going to Barbados. Come here, sweet. One thing me know, I say if anybody not take that side here, if anybody not come for that seat there, me I take that seat there. That's one thing I know. I love the view. You see me? And at first, actually, I travel from Caribbean Airlines, like the first to be, yo, not even know some of charging port. Oh crap, I just said dark, not even realize. Okay, more light. Yeah, so of charging port there, just so some actually can charge my phone. I was a bit worried about, yo, how the Batis thing. I get it. Finally get the window seat, nobody now take this from me. And we'll put on seatbelt, you know. Buckle your seatbelt, yeah? So Barbados. I'm currently at my final destination, which is Barbados. What's this on the screen? What? I don't even know what to say, but that flight was really long. Flight to St. Martin, then flight to Barbados. 1 hour layover. It was come like I was taking a taxi, I swear. So I'm finally here. God, so much, yo, traveling just took a lot out of me sometimes, I swear. So, is this mic on me? Yeah, so traveling always take a lot out of me. So this is my room space so far. This place is called the Infinity on the Beach Church Street, Barbados, like that? I think that's the name. Okay, oh, let me see the bathroom. Here's the light switch. Okay. This is the bathroom. Oops, almost. For the rubbish bin. This is the bathroom so far. I'll be staying here for 7 days. 7 days. You're right now the ISO day. 800. 8,000. Alright. Time to eat some food. I've never had this before. See the name here? Is it pop up? Yeah, I've never had that before, so I'm gonna try it out. This is orange juice. So let me unpack my stuff. So you're probably wondering why I'm in Barbados. Well, for one, I'm here to shoot a cricket event and enjoy my life, you know, because I'm currently staying at this wonderful resort hotel called Infinity, which I think I mentioned last night. I'm going for breakfast right now, so actually working for Sleek magazine to capture the cricket game. Yo, the sun look your outside look really nice, but I'm really hungry. Let me get something to eat. So I'm outside of this. Hopefully we get Wi-Fi. Hopefully, because I need the internet. So I'm here waiting on the bus to take me to the cricket match. Are you waiting on the same bus? Okay. Yeah, wait. So this is the road. Yeah, the place look really nice, you know. Really nice. Yo, Shay. So I'm legit at this cricket match right now. Yo, the place is crowded. When I say crowded, I mean really crowded.
Breakfast, snack, and 5 drinks. Yeah.
Yeah, walk with the food.
Right. Hi, okay, so these are your food. And?
Oh, can I take off the mask?
Take off the mask.
Breakfast, lunch, snack, everything. Say hi to
Yo!
say hi to Pedro.
Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up?
Hello.
Hi. I'm here live and direct.
You know what?
Stunning.
Let me tell you.
Alright, so this thing starts. So I'm gonna actually use the camera to take some stills and probably do some videos. I'm not sure how that's gonna work, but yo, I'm gonna work my magic. So I'm switching to the 35 right now, guys. What a morning. So let me just show you the place. So we're currently at a place called Aku. Yo, man, I just put the name on the video. Get some food.
Name one Caribbean country without the letter A in it.
First of all, Puerto Rico is English speaking. Which Caribbean you want? Spanish speaking? Puerto Rico.
Achim get him
Through my ear.
Alright, so just had some. Yeah, man, loady man. Alright, turn on this.
Sorry, are you vlogging?
Yeah, I always have vlog, man. I always have vlog.
I'm not vlog them party, or else the vlog will go 9 hours long.
No, man, you see, alright, remember some my vlog consists of travels and all them look of fancy stuff there.
And it's very cinematographic.
Yeah, mine about it talking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Time to go back to the hotel. I'm hungry again. Well, probably later. Food will taste good though. Alright, going back to the hotel. Yeah. Right now, I know, say, I'm going to take a long shower, and after taking that long shower, I'll just sit down, edit the photos that I took today, and then send them off, and then I need to get a sunset shot, hopefully. Alright, I'm back. Well, we're back.
Exhausted.
Okay. Just realized I'm not having my mask. Yo, I hope I don't lost my key. I have to head back out like 7 o'clock. 7 p.m. I should say. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, okay. Alright, I'm very tired. Well, I'm gonna shoot. I'm looking for Chantel. Where is Chantel? We're gonna go by the beach. I have a nice idea, but the beach not open yet. Well, probably open. Probably just a gate lock. Oh, where's Chantel? So I just went back for my mask. Good morning, good morning, good morning,
Pleasant
good morning,
morning.
good morning, Alright, so, oh my god, yo, this mask thing, so annoying. Yo, so annoying, like, yo, see, at the cricket game, yo, I could barely breathe properly. Was you ready?
Hello, I'm Chantel Suet. I'm from Ghana. I'm 28, graphic designer and makeup artist.
It's somewhere along here on the
But it has stuff here.
yeah, there's shops.
So we're going to walk the streets of Barbados. I don't even know where these girls going, but I put my trust in them. Morning, 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 morning. Morning, kind of chilly still. I'm cold, but I'm going shirtless. Find out what's up. Want to introduce yourself on my vlog, you know?
Hi, I'm Lazina. I thought I already introduced myself to
You did?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know. Some point in life.
Some point in life. Going to a public beach. Alright, so we're going to a public beach. That's like right up the road from the hotel that we're staying at. The entire shoreline is just nice. Like the water is so crystal clear. Ugh. The water look kind of rough still. Okay, it's nice. We're outside, baby. Place look nice. You did graffiti?
Wow, we run up a
Show the graffiti. I didn't even know what it said, but she just did some graffiti in the sun. No, you get the shit. No, it's not going to pull it in, but I'm not going in the water. It's too cold right now. It's way too cold right now. No, we're doing the rum thing first, rum walk, a rum tour, and then we're going out in the ocean, a catamaran. Oh, what a day! What a day! I'm so tired, but she's coming. She's tired. Dancehall queen over there.
Maria.
Dancehall queen. Yes, she hit the club last night, acting all crazy.
Tell him what I'm doing.
What was last night?
Oh, awesome. You missed something.
Yeah, I told her that she missed it.
Yeah,
Hey,
that
missed
was
it.
a really, yeah, it was fun.
It was fun. You want to say coke? Ew, ew,
Yeah.
ew.
So
All
hi.
over.
Wake me up.
Ah, you could manage. You could manage. I swear you could manage.
Hopefully tonight we can.
Hopefully tonight. Oh, we're walking the stretch tonight.
Yeah, true.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
So, hi, I'm Coco. I'm a French travel blogger, swimwear designer here in Barbados with you.
Ah, nice. Okay. Hey, open.
Alright.
It's from our YouTube channel.
Yeah, what's going on?
What's up?
Fully ready for the rum tour, ready to get drunk like a fish. Just kidding.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Another one, thank you. The girl in the red, Samantha. She. He's an on-time god, isn't he? So Maddie wasn't there last night. But Lazina, Rue, when was this? Yeah, so we're going to do where are we going now? Rum tour. I'm not rumming. I'm just touring. Check my bag.
So big up the driver. He has been taking us safely.
Yes.
Thank you, bro.
And waiting patiently.
All right. Got all the liquor. Cool.
Right.
It's November 30th. What cask strength means, whatever proof, alcohol by volume, or ABV the spirit is at after aging and maturation, we are going to bottle it up. No dilution whatsoever. From East Island, Scotland, the home of peated whiskey. So the maker we took off, then it was finished for 6 months in peated whiskey cask. Let me see if I can get ahead of you guys. Open the door. No problem, go ahead, go ahead. For the rest of the group. Additionally, you are bottled immediately after. Now, our clear spirit is called a silver, smooth, and refined. Previously, it was called a pure silver or the poor man's vodka. Now, anytime something is said to be similar to vodka, it means it's very harsh on its own, but it can be used to create some delicious mixes or cocktails. And with Trudian is Mr. Jerry Edwards, who is our second master blender. And Jerry is actually the person responsible for launching the Extra Old Blend, which was the first old age spirit in the rum category back in 1991. So when Trudian became the master blender in 2019.
So we finished the tour. Next is the Catamaran. Can't wait. I'm not a rum person or a drinker, so I just could wait until this finish.
Our way to fit his vest, alright? Now we fit on his vest, first make sure all the shots are hanging free.
Fantastic tour. Don't forget the lookout was ruby.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, the Titanic.
Lord of mercy.
For a vessel, which means use of fresh water and other resources such as food to the larger vessels. Now, after services was no longer required, it was donated to a group of divers.
Alright, so ATV day. We are going to hit the track, right? And my camera is ready, so I'll be switching to the GoPro for, you know, the action type of thing, because can't bring my camera on. So let me switch to this GoPro like whoosh. Watch out.
Bring a cushion. Bring a cushion.
Go outside.
This audio sounds, but it's a vibe. We outside.
We outside.